de nuevo 3:30 asiáticas.
Hoy vamos a cocinar quesadillas.
Eso suena delicioso. Tengo mucha hambre.
Vamos.
Ahora vamos a Teagan con los ingredientes.
Hola, esto es lo que necesita para este plato. Primero necesitará pechugas de pollo, queso, un pimiento rojo, una lima, tortillas de harina, aceite de oliva, comino, los dientes de ajo, una cebolla, mantequilla y la sal y la pimienta.
Primero, lavarte las manos.
Sazona el pollo con sal, pimienta y comino.
Pone el pollo en una bolsa de plástico.
Siempre lavarte las manos después de tocar pollo crudo.
Cortar el pimiento rojo, la cebolla y los dientes de ajo.
Calentar 2 cucharaditas de aceite de oliva en una sartén.
Pone el pollo en la sartén.
Gire el pollo ocasionalmente hasta que esté completamente cocido.
Caliente las 2 cucharaditas restantes de aceite.
Agregue el pimiento, la cebolla y los dientes de ajo. Salte.
Transfiere el pollo a la sartén.
Revuelva bien.
Vierta la lima y mezcle.
Tira la mezcla.
Pone la mezcla en un recipiente diferente.
Pone mantequilla en la sartén.
Coloca una tortilla en la sartén. Espolvoree queso sobre la mitad de la tortilla. Pone el pollo sobre el resto de la tortilla. Dobles la parte superior. Cocina la tortilla hasta que esté dorada en la parte inferior. Voltea la tortilla y cocina el lado opuesto hasta que esté dorada. Gracias por acompañarnos hoy.
Somos 3 asiáticos y medio.
Disfruta.
Delicioso.
Take 1. Action. Take 2. Action. Whoa! Action!
I see hola, they can't stop.
Take 3. Action.
Hola, bienvenido de nuevo 3:30 asiáticas. De nuevo 3:30 asiáticas.
Hoy vamos a cocinar. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hola, bienvenido de nuevo 3:30 asiáticas.
Hoy vamos a cocinar
Just keep
The one time I get it right, you gonna mess up?
You weren't even looking at the camera.
It's still only 2 though. Yes, you won only 2 times.
There was 3
No.
rounds. There was 3 rounds.
No, was it? No, we restarted, and then that was only 2 rounds.
Yeah, I won 1, then you won 1, then I won 1. That's 3. And I won 2 out of it.
Period.
Cut it, but like, don't like press a new one.
You have to snap.
You said only her snap.
No, I never said only her snap.
Ahora vamos a Teagan los rostros.
To thank everybody for this honor. And I'd like to thank all my friends and thank you for my song show. Esto es todo que...
FBI, open up. Yeah? Okay. What's my line? Rub it in. You can talk. She's doing a voiceover.
No, it's nothing to talk about. Except that chicken really looks thin.
It is thin, right?
Why'd you get thin
It
ones?
literally, it's disgusting.
Or is this like a band? That's why. There's gonna be a video of you just smacking the chicken.
Whoa!
We should get a video of Serena.
That's exactly what she's doing. Cumin.
Cumin?
I said cumin. Dog.
Cuban? Mark? Mark Cuban. Shark Tank.
Oh, the mean guy?
The snack that smiles back.
Hey? That's a major insult. Look at the camera. I'm not even making it. What is it? No, not cold. No, it just needs to marinate in the fridge. Wait 15 minutes. Where's my phone? It was sweet. What? What? It's like a whale.
Looks like a boxing glove.
No, it's fine. I thought you were Asian.
I am Asian, but us Asians do spatulas.
Okay, we need the lime.
We chase each other around the house with spatulas.
Come on, come on!
Oh, I gotta.
Yes.
Swirl it.
No.
Oh, why would you do this?
It looks like eggs. Oops. Ah!
Jesus, get on the thing.
Maybe we put like too little cheese.
You gotta.
Why is she smoking that much?
Where's the spatula?
Why is she smoking like that?
She high.
I washed.
She high.
She is. She's mad.
Oh, she burned.
You press start, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Gracias por.
Gracias por acompañarnos. I can't say that.
Acompañarnos.
Acompañarnos. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.